How to create this motion effect in Affinity Designer, PC or Mac. Go to the Tools panel and select the Rounded Rectangle tool. Click and apply. With the rounded rectangle selected, go up here, corner, and set it to 100%. Go to this control and rotate it by 45 degrees. Go to the gradient tool and select that. Go up here and set linear for the type and drag from top to bottom. Go to the Tools panel and select the Transparency tool. Then drag from top to bottom and create 100% opacity, 0% opacity at the bottom. With the Move tool selected, hold down the Alt or Option key on your keyboard and drag to duplicate the design. And repeat that a number of times. With an object selected, go over here to the Fill, click there, and then go to the first stop, and then Colour, and then change it to, say, red or blue, etc. You can then repeat that with all of the other objects. Now select the individual objects and move them down. Just reposition them. You can of course also resize them as well. You can make them thinner, so just simply drag and make a nice thin line, or maybe select one and maybe drag outwards to make a slightly thicker line. Also, you can drag and add them on top of each other. If you want to recolor all the designs, simply deselect all of the objects, go to Layer, down to New Adjustment Layer and HSL, Recolor, etc. Then just change the hue shift, saturation shift, as well as the luminosity shift to create a variety of different designs. Please check out the other videos on the Graphic Extras channel. Got thousands for designer, photo, etc. Thank you much.